Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. I just filmed another video and this is my second video for today. The other video, which I was thinking of putting together, but it was getting too long, was a kind of haul of everything I bought. But today's video will be a decorate with me and my tablescape. I did save a couple of things that I didn't show in that video just in case you don't get to see that video and you're just here for the tablescape decorate with me. You'll see what's going on. So, but if you do want to see that video, I'll link it below for you. Okay, I am redoing one of my Christmas trees. As you can see, I have my main tree up behind us and it looks gorgeous. I'll link that video below, but I didn't change anything on that. Today we're decorating my dining room and the tree that I have in there. My vision is like black, white, gold, very classy, very like glam, I guess. I'm so excited because last year I had to do buffalo check in there and that was my husband's theme, but this year I'm doing my own theme. So let me share with a couple things that I did get for the tablescape, because the tablescape I'm hoping is going to come out just the way I'm envisioning it. It's going to be gorgeous. Okay, starting with the table runner. I'm looking at it right here. It is this a beautiful black fur, faux fur, of course. I got it at Hobby Lobby and it was $15. The sign says $29.99, but everything was 50% off. And I actually bought this last year and returned it. And then I wanted it for New Year's Eve because I do a gorgeous New Year's Eve tablescape as well. And by the time I went back to look for it, it was gone. So I picked it up this year and it's not going back. Even if I don't use it, I'm keeping it. I could use it for Halloween. I mean, endless things I could use it for. Okay, moving along. These are the placemats for my tablescape and they are just so glittery and so gorgeous to me. I don't know, I just love glitter all the time, but even more during Christmas. And then I bought these chargers. Of course I bought 8 of everything, but my table really only fits 6 people, maybe 7 comfortably. So I'm only gonna decorate it for 6 people for the video's sake. But look how gorgeous this is. I mean, look at that. I love it. Okay, what else did I get for the tablescape? Oh, okay. I bought these picks from Hobby Lobby and there's just glitter everywhere, but these are white, so I have this gold, and you'll see when I'm decorating, but this gold like vase that I just change out the flowers or whatever I put in there all the time. And then I want to add some greenery to it because I feel like black, white, and gold needs like maybe some greenery. I think it'll look cute, I'm hoping. So I'm going to make like a garland, hopefully with green, and then kind of just like put these flowers in there and then some ornaments and some picks that I have from leftover from the tree. I also got just like these little gold stars. I don't know. And I'm gonna use some stuff that I've had from years before, probably some little gold reindeer and some lights and stuff that isn't new, but I just wanted to share with you guys the new stuff. I also bought another garland just in case the greenery doesn't work out the way that I'm picturing it. This one is so messy though. I'm keeping it in the bag, but it's from Michael's and it's just kind of like a gold garland. I didn't even know what it's called, but it is so messy. There's so much glitter on it. Yeah, it's just like a Christmas garland from Michael's. And it wasn't expensive. I think it was like actually 60% off, but it is just a hot mess. Okay, I have like glitter everywhere. It's fine, it's fine, it's really fine. This is what I'm talking about. This candle is all white. Literally, this glitter has spilled all over it, but I want to have some candles in there. This is like a fake candle. I'm afraid that like somebody would be reaching for like food across the table and like set the table on fire. So I always just buy like fake candles and stuff like that for the tablescape. Okay, let's go ahead and start decorating the tree, the table, and making it look magical.
Christmas tree
Here we are. I'm stuck and this isn't finished yet. I'm just getting my inspo, but these are the tree options I have for this corner. And normally I put the skinny tree. I don't know if the lighting is getting it, but the skinny tree, just because it's tall and it looks good there, but I don't like the way that the ornaments look on it. So I wanted a fuller tree, which is this guy, but it's so short. Look. Struggle bus. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the fuller looking tree on the left because the ribbon that I bought is really thick, and that's the reason why I wanted to use this tree, is because I felt like this would just like overpower this skinny tree. And just like this tree holds decorations better. I put a couple of things on it. And I think once the tree topper is on, it'll give it some height. Maybe I could put like a box on the bottom. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna stick to my original plan and keep this fuller tree. I'm definitely gonna have to move my fiddle, even though she's getting new leaves. Oh, I love it. It's probably like an hour later. I am so slow, you guys. But I figured out I'm gonna use the fuller tree, and I did this, which I just put a box under there. Thank you, Amazon Prime. I stuffed it so it wouldn't squish when like the tree's on there, but I think it should be good. Once I put the tree skirt, you won't even be able to see the box. And now I'm going to decorate. I did put these twinkle lights. That's the only thing I've added so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate and then finish this. It's like a complete mess right now, but I'll get it done. I'll get it done. Oh, I'm having some champagne while I decorate and listen to Christmas music. This champagne flute from Pier 1 is so cute. I love it so much. It's been about 2 weeks since I started this decorating. I had a lot of issues. It happens a lot, actually. That's why I start really early, but I just couldn't figure out how I wanted the centerpiece to be, and some items on the tree were, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. Plus, the store that I got most of the items at, which is Hobby Lobby, is closed on Sunday, and I work Monday through Friday. So I basically only have Saturday to go there, and then it's closed on Sunday. So I end up waiting a week to go back, and that's why it's taken so long. So I'm rambling now. Let's go ahead and get started with how I ended up decorating it. I did film a lot, and I actually won't remember till I start editing it how it's going to come together. Hopefully it flows. But let me show you the final product and what I did for the centerpiece. This is the tablescape. And there's a couple of things that of course I want to still add or would change, but to make do with what I have, this is how it's probably going to stay more than likely. I do have these chargers that I shared in my haul, and then these plates are my own plates. The new items, I don't know if I shared this in the video, but these little cups, and this one says Mr. Claus on it. I think I may have shared these, but since that time I did buy these like iridescent ones, which I love so much. They were at the Target dollar spot for I think $3 for two. They're wine glasses. I would still add like a water glass, but for purposes of the video, I'm keeping it simple. I have two options for the like napkin and ring. I have this candy cane, and I found these black and white candy canes at Target. They're like Oreo flavored, but I just thought that they matched with the tablescape so beautifully, so had to get those. And then I also wanted to add a little greenery, so I put this as an option. This is just inspiration for when you're decorating your table. You do it how you like, but I think this came out really cute. I would love to add some height to the tablescape, and I have my eye on some candlesticks, you know, like I'll actually insert them for you, a picture. They're from Target. I didn't see them in the store, so I'd have to order them online. But I probably want like 6 of them, to be honest, so they can just like raise up the level of the tablescape. But let me show you how I made this. This was super simple to make, but I did have to go to like 3 different stores to figure out what garland I like. So I basically just got some garland from, where did I get this one from? From Michael's. So I went to Hobby Lobby and Target, and this is the one that I like the best. So basically, if you can see it, it has like gold on it. If I can find it online, I'll link it for you, or a photo of it. But I think it was like $20, so really $40, but everything was 50% off. And it has these like gold, what are these called? Cones? I don't know. That are part of it, and it had some red little berries with glitter. I cut all the berries off because it didn't match with my theme, and in place I put some ornaments, and I just took some wire and stuck ornaments, and I didn't actually stick it in there very well. I just kind of like placed it lightly. These are fairy lights that I put all over my house. They're on a timer, which I love. These are just little faux candles. This is from Michael's, and I love the glitter because I love glitter everything. These flowers I bought at, and I think they were in my haul at Hobby Lobby, and I had to cut the stem. They were really actually long flowers. Cut the stems off, which is actually really hard because I don't have wire cutters. I think my husband did it. And I stuck these in there. I kind of just folded them in place. So if you can see in there, it's just like a really short flower now. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I have these little reindeers. They're ornaments. Oops. And they're from Target like a couple years ago. Here I clustered 3 different ornament sizes to add into the garland. Another flower. And then another cluster of these ornaments. And these are they're shatterproof because I break everything. I wouldn't recommend putting glass ornaments on a table. I forgot to turn this one on. Just because, well, I don't know. I break everything. If you have children, it's probably dangerous. These are from Hobby Lobby as well, and they're just adding a little touch. This garland was longer, probably another 10 inches or so, but I trimmed it because I wanted to fit 6 people on my table, and if I had left it the length, it would have worked, but that person would have garland instead of plate, if that makes sense. So here it is. I love it so much. It's exactly what I was going for. Now I will show you how the tree turned out. Starting with the tree topper, that was a pain in the butt to get on. I actually put it behind, let's see if I can show you. See how like the little thing is supposed to, those like, oh, that right there is supposed to go on like a tree branch. It looked terrible, so I just kind of stuck it in there, wedged it in place. I think it works. I definitely need something over here. It's like it looks really bare to me. I could possibly hang some ornaments, but I'm not sure I'll get to it honestly this year. I do plan on keeping this tree for a couple years, hopefully, because I really, really like it. I shared how I was kind of decorating with it earlier. I do want to mention this is a pre-lit tree, but to get the twinkle lights, all you do is buy those little fairy twinkle lights from Target that run on a battery, on a timer, and just kind of stick them in, and they just give so much to the tree. I really love how it looks. This is how the tree turned out. I'm getting like another view on this side. I think it's really cute. Love the color scheme this year. Here is my buffet table. I really didn't put very much on here. I don't know why. I probably could have done a little more, but I basically just put this Merry Christmas sign right here. I did find that champagne bottle at World Market, and I thought it matched the theme, so I went ahead and picked it up. And then I just put this, which is normally on my table over here with these like kind of, I don't know, they're supposed to be like branches, but white glitter branches, I guess. And here I just have those same little pine cones, I guess, with glitter filled up here. Here's the final look of the room. I love it. I will be filming a home tour of my Christmas decor, so stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!